Good afternoon, gentlemen. In continuation of version 1 of KRA, I have given the insight to you. So, when you are exploring or you are analyzing that what was the KRA of the month, of the quarter, of the 6 month, that depends on you, management and employee. That here I am not going to dictate as a trainer, but I will say that make it monthly, because today appraisal is not yearly. That after putting 12 month and 13 month and 14 month, then after 15 16 month management is making performance appraisal system, then he is saying that, oh, it was agreed by you, you have not delivered. No, this is the bad practice. Now it is being recognized as a bad practice. You have to very honestly, very diligently, you have to make it very, very crystal clear that Baba, you have to work on this path. These are your ladder. You have to climb this ladder, and at the end of the month, means evaluation period, you have to deliver all these things. Then he has delivered, fine. He has not delivered, extract it out, give it again in the writing, take the same signature and ask him to complete it. Thus, balance of the previous, always that should be taken brought over at the second month, succeeding month, and this process should continue 12 months, and at the end of the 11th month or at the end of the 12th month you make the total summary. And my dear gentlemen, now performance appraisal system thus is being completed here through a KRA system. Now people are not, management is not interested that what you have not done during the year, and that too also 13 month, 14 month you are coming to know. So this is the pointing out wrong way. Boss, what management was doing? 12 month management was sleeping. Management has not developed the system. What is the work of the HOD? HOD's work, HOD has to give the work, na? HOD has to assign the task of the day, that you assigned the task out of the KRA. And if you are giving anything more than over and above to KRA, then that is covered under the job enlargement and job enhancement. Means your KRA same time will change, and addendum of the job enlargement or job enhancement will be issued to that person, so that if there is the many more variation in the year, then based upon that he may be given the promotion, he may be considered for the next level in the organization. And if he has left behind it, then you decide. If it is the left behind is the 70% and 60%, 50% and 40%, then what call you have to take? Basically, if it is the less than 60% unachieved, ask the people, either you change him, either you have selected the wrong person, or you have selected the substandard person, and that's why he was not able to give his best. So it is the recruitment fault, it is not the employee fault. So making all this system, what I am trying to emphasize that HR plays a very vital role to create a talent of the pool. A pool of the talent. I'm sorry, I take it back. A pool of the talent. And if you haphazardly you take it that, oh, he is coming under the reference, he is coming under the pressure, and we have to consider he is the relative of this, relative of that, you have to make the conservative recruitment system, then you will fail. And you will fail, your pool will distract, and you cannot achieve the target. And you add the KRA with the department KRA, and department KRA will join the organizational KRA, and thus organizational KRA is accomplished, then definitely you will meet to the profit. High range of the profit. You can go to the 30% profit, 40% profit, 25% of the profit, what type of the industry you are, you can go those kind of the, and you can double and triple also. You can multiply the profit also if this kind of the system is developed in the organization. And developing of the system, KRA system and any other system what I spoke to you in the previous version of my videos, definitely it is going to help the organization to maintain zero wastage and full productivity. Person will be focused. अरे यार मेरा डिपार्टमेंट हेड अभी कुछ भी उठ करके हमको बोल देगा, अरे भाई आप जरा काम छोड़ करके लेजर का आप काम देख लीजिए, अरे भाई आप ये काम छोड़ के ज़रा सा आप जो है बाहर चले जाइए, प्रोविडेंट फंड का जो है इंस्पेक्शन अटेंड करके आ जाइए. नहीं, देयर शुड बी, इट मस्ट बी प्री प्रोपेल्ड, प्री proclaimed and well defined that yes, this person will do this, this person will do this, and give the opportunity to the employee to focus and they work really, they have on the knowledge. So very full satisfaction the things will be completed. And at the end of the day, wastage in the department, wastage in at the employee level individual can be controlled, and haphazardous work style will be cut off. Very straight, clear cut communication style, method of instruction will prevail in the organization. Down the line people will be happy, peers level will be happy, seniors level will be happy, and all together there will be pleasure in the organization. And thus it is not going to end here, it will hit to your work culture, it will hit to your communication culture. You will hear people saying that is an organization where I should stay because work freedom is given. Everything is moving in well-defined manner. No one is being ditched. There is no leg pulling. And to the extent, I am challenging to say that the level of the organization politics will also go down. Because you are focusing. Each employee is focusing, delivering what they have been asked. And what they have been asked is predefined. It is just in front of them where they are sitting. It is there. So, and in turn, the concerned HOD knows that what XYZ people is doing in my organization. And another thing, going down, because all these are cascading effects. All these are having cascading effects. So when manpower planning you take place, then you know that what is the total departmental work, and out of that who are the process owner in my department, and which work is and who is overloaded, and are because of the more project the work is coming, then you can say that these will be description, job profile of new person, and then HR can look for the person according to that, and then the new person is coming, then you can talk to your department that this new person is not a replacement of any person, rather it has come to take over the additional load in the organization. I believe what I was about to say, that fearlessly you work and impact of the KRA, cascading effect, all these things I have spelled out with my ability and based upon my personal experience. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much listening me, and Jai Hind.